Welcome to our 2.5 DCA coilovers installation video. Remove sway bar link. Disconnect tie rod end. Separate upper control arm from knuckle. Remove lower shock bolt. Remove shock. Install Dirt King shock. Torque lower shock bolt to factory spec, 61 foot-pounds. Torque upper shock bolts to 35 foot-pounds. Install upper control arm. Note: aftermarket upper arms are required to allow for additional down travel. Torque upper control arm according to product specs. Torque sway bar link to factory spec, 52 foot-pounds. Reinstall tie rod end. Torque tie rod end to factory spec, 67 foot-pounds, and insert new cotter pin. Remove sway bar mount. Use long Allen head bolts. Torque to 37 foot-pounds. Use short Allen head bolts. Torque to 37 foot-pounds. Install shock reservoir. Ensure the reservoir hose does not contact the control arm. Install the provided skid plate spacers to allow for the proper sway bar clearance. Torque skid plate spacer bolts to 22 foot-pounds. Once installation is complete, have the vehicle aligned by a qualified shop